What up, guys? You're looking at the Dominator miter cut. As you can tell, ape hangers. These are very small. These are the 10-inch. I had to call them to order these. I couldn't get them to come up online when I tried to look them up. Just kept coming up the meat hooks for the all-in-one kit. This is the all-in-one. Everything's pre-wired, other than that throttle by wire sensor. So, I think they were like 700, 750 out the door. Not bad. I had the other ones before that were the meat hooks, and I put them on a 22 Street Glide Special. I had no issues with them. The throttle by wire sensor pulled easy on that one, so I'm hoping the same happens here. I did use a little grease on it though to get it through, not very much. I was not very generous with it, I should say. Um, it wasn't hard to pull at all. I had it pulled in about 5 minutes, so I'm hoping the same goes for this one here. This is going on a 2023 Street Glide ST. I've had it 3 weeks or so. Haven't done any mods to it. Ordered some custom dynamic lights to put in it, and I did put a set of pipes on it. And that's pretty much all I've done to it. Bag inserts I did do. I don't think too much else. That's about it. But these are going to be the first major thing that I'm doing, and I say major because everything went good with these last time on that Street Glide Special, but I had a little bit of issues with that clutch cable. Actually, a lot of issues. I put the extension on. It didn't help much. I would drive it, and it would loosen back up, and I couldn't figure out what was causing it. I called Dominator about it. They sent me out another one. I put it on, and it solved the issue. So I don't know what the deal was with the first one, but the second one took care of it. And I wish I still had the bike, but I've since got rid of it, and I miss it. So that's why this channel, if you don't know, is called Heartbreak Harley. I sold that bike, and it broke my heart to sell it after I sold it. When I was selling it, I didn't care so much. Someone had the cash, and they offered me cash for it. I took it reluctantly, but yeah, since then I've missed it big time. I bought it outright, and it was the first Harley that I bought outright. So, and I put the 131 kit in it, and I did tons of mods to that bike, all within about 6 months. And I think I put right around 2,000 miles on it. So, yeah, I miss it. Broke my heart once it was gone. So I went out and I got another bike, and I wanted to try something different, so I went with the 23 Breakout because I seen it online. I loved it. I still love that bike. That bike's awesome. But when I was riding it, it was chilly out. I didn't have the wind protection, and I didn't have a radio, which I didn't think I would care too much about, but when it came down to it, I actually missed the radio. So I went with this guy. I just looked at all the bikes, and I went with the one I liked the best. They did not have any of the anniversary editions in when I went to the day I went to get this, or I probably would have went with the Street Glide anniversary 120 anniversary edition just because I love the look of that bike. But yeah, I like Street Glides. Road Glides are actually starting to grow on me. It's weird, man. I used to hate the look of them, but now, damn it, I wish I would have got a Road Glide instead of a Street Glide now. But I'm stuck with a sucker now. I'm not trading no bikes in anymore. I'm going to build this out, and then we'll see what happens after that. I may end up selling it again like I did the other one, but for now I'm just going to go with it and keep it. So I'm going to build it out and do the best I can with it. I want to get a 135 kit installed. I have a 135 kit coming. Do not have a date to install it yet. So once they get me the date, then I'll do a video on that. I did have a video of the install of the 131 kit. I just didn't post it online, so I will probably post that online when I do the 135 kit install. But for now, it's got the 117 in it. It's good enough for me to, fart around town on. And I do plan on taking it to Milwaukee. I had tickets to the 120 anniversary, so that's the next thing. I'm going to take this up there with a buddy who, you've probably seen him in some of my videos, John. He has the 23 Softail Standard. So he got it from the same place I got this, and it's a good place. Farrow Harley Davidson up in Sunbury. Ohio. So if you got a chance, go check them out, man. They got a nice selection of bikes. I was just in Florida recently, and I checked out, you've probably seen it in my other video, or actually I didn't do a video on it. I went to Emerald Coast Harley Davidson. That place rocked. That's one of the best Harley Davidson dealerships I've been in. As far as treatment, they treated me really good in there. I didn't have my GoPro with me to get any video of it. I'm sorry. But if you got a chance, go check them out, man. They're awesome. I think it was like a half an hour or so away, from maybe 40 minutes away from Destin, Florida. So get a chance, check them out, man. Nice group of people and really nice selection of bikes. You had some nice soft tails there, some Sportsters. Check them out, though. But back to the topic here. Yeah, I'm going to put these in. I'm going to do some videos of the install, but I just kind of wanted to show you what they look like because my buddy seen these and he was like, damn, those look small. And then I looked at them myself. I was like, yeah, they do look really small, actually. I mean, here's my hand up to it, and I'm short. I'm only like 5'8", so on a good day. So they're not very big. They don't even seem 10 inches to me, but they say they're 10 inches, so we'll go with it. My other ones might have looked like this too. I don't have any. I can't remember what they look like, and I don't know if I have a video of me holding them up just like this, but you can see those don't look very big at all. But they got to be bigger than these stock handlebars, so we'll go with it and we'll see how it turns out. And hopefully I get some good video for you guys. And I can't hold the camera up there and do this. And everywhere I've tried to set this camera so I could get video of it was not working out. So best place, it'll be right there, and I'll be working here. And you'll be able to see some of it, not all of it, but I may do it that way, or I may do it in clips and just do it in sections and upload them when I'm done, or I may send this one over first as an independent video. So who knows? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just talking away. So